Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Stackby, a no-code work platform that's as easy as a spreadsheet but powerful enough to run your projects, your client work, and even your automations in one place. And the best part? There's a lifetime deal right now that could save you hundreds every year. Customizable spreadsheets with database power. Here's the magic. You start with something as familiar as a spreadsheet. Rows, columns, all that good stuff. But then you can turn it into a full-on database. Need checklists and cells, file attachments, drop-downs, even AI-powered fields that write for you? Done. It's built for normal humans, not just data nerds. API integrations that pull data automatically. Tired of copy-pasting from 20 different tools? Stackby connects with over 50 APIs, so you can pull in YouTube stats, Facebook ads data, SEO metrics, inventory, automatically. Set it once and your tables update on their own. That's hours of manual work you can get back every week. Multiple ways to view your data. Some of us think in grids, others in cards or calendars. Stackby gets it. You can flip between grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, list, timeline, and form views in one click. You can even make updatable forms for clients or team members to submit info directly into your workflow. Collaboration that doesn't cost you more. This is a big one. You get unlimited read-only users. That means you can share dashboards, reports, or project updates with clients, bosses, or whole teams without paying for extra seats. Competitors, they'll happily charge you $10 to $20 per viewer per month. Stackby, free. Here's the kicker. Most tools like this, think Airtable or Asana, cost $10 to $20 per user per month. That adds up fast. With this AppSumo lifetime deal, you pay once and you're set. No renewals, no surprise bills. Just unlimited use for life. If you're tired of juggling tools and want one simple, flexible platform to manage everything, Stackby is a no-brainer. I've included the AppSumo link in the description, so you can take advantage of the lifetime deal while it's still available. Seriously, it's one of those rare tools you'll actually enjoy using every day.